Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 15 learning English with me, and today the topic is why I want to join Indian Armed Forces. Okay, so I will tell you. And since when I was in 10th class, I think to prepare for J. So I try for prepare J, but J is not clear. So now I am preparing for ND exam, and I have admired the discipline, courage, and dedications for our soldiers. The armed forces teaches us responsibility and leadership. Soldiers protect our country in all situations, whether it's war, disaster, or peacekeeping. Another reason is discipline. I discipline lives helps become a mentally and physically strong. I want to develop these quality in my life because I am not quite disciplined, like on that time I will do, but I can't do any time. I will like do later, like lazy type. So I'm not doing. So I want to become a admire disciplined student as well, to serve a country. So serving nation is the biggest honor, and wearing a uniform is not only a job, it's it is our responsibility to a country in our hands. I am ready to work hard and improve myself daily, and I am trying to become a discipline. So in the future, I want to become an officer and a lead from the front. And these dreams motivated me to prepare of NDA. Sincerely, when I think in NDA, I feel like discipline motivation can beat me. So thanks for listening my story about NDA. And I am fearing speaking of English, but right now I am practicing daily some vocabulary words and reading a book. So in a NDA is necessary to learn daily vocabulary words. So daily I try a 5 to 10 vocabulary words, and then in the evening I revised it. So I don't study full grammar in one day. I study one rule daily, like tense or spotting error. I practice previous year questions. Some questions I will do, but now I am completing my syllabus because my syllabus is not complete. So left for 3 months. So I am trying to complete first syllabus, then starting try to practice PYQs. And English is not difficult. We make it difficult by fear. So please say bye to fear and speak. Try to speak whatever you think in English, and not translate in Hindi. Only speak in English. When you speak, only think in English and speak in English. Or if you practice daily for 30 minutes, you can score well in English. Or if you're preparing for NDA, want to improve English, subscribe to my channel. I post my daily and NDA and English videos. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.